guys, welcome back to my channel.
Our channel.
Happy Veterans Day, y'all. It should be November 11th when this video gets posted. Also, my birthday. I turned 40. Sad face. Insert emoji, sad emoji. Happy Veterans Day!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. My name is Wendy. I am a part-time reseller on mainly Poshmark. I try to do eBay, Mercari. This is my daughter Athena. She likes to resell and do these videos with me. So I recently did a haul. I'm going to be releasing this video on Veterans Day, hence the red, white, and blue flag. Anyways, but I went to one of my favorite consignment stores and I hit the mother load on some boots. I did pay up a little bit, but they're adorable. They also had one of their colors. It was $1. They changed them out, and what I liked, that it was half price before. I didn't want to pay up for before. Now I didn't mind paying $1 for. So let's start with the little dollar ones first, and we'll save the boots for last. So first is this adorable Lane Bryant. It's a 26-28 sweater dress. Feels brand new. Lane Bryant actually does really well for me. I want to say the last dress I sold actually sold for like $70 something. Of course, that's not what I got. I think my payout was like 30 something. I'm not sure. I don't remember, but I know it was pretty good. But that Lane Bryant dress, it's adorable. It's super heavy, very, very quality feel of a sweater. And I also got this French Connection. It's a size 2, I believe, extra small it looks like. It's a periwinkle little sleeveless dress. Looks like that in the back. Just simple. Another $1. And I think the last dollar find I got was this cute little Peter Nygard. There's a tiny spot and I didn't know if I was going to be able to get it out. I'm going to see if I can clean it up with my leather cleaner. Oh, there it is. It's just a tiny one. It's tiny. Okay, so it's this Peter Nygard quilted. It's 100% leather, cropped little jacket. It even has that, it's like satin on the inside. Little stain, but it's a mustard yellow, almost like a chartreuse green, but more yellow than anything. And then let's see. Then I got a cute couple of belts. They're belts. They're belts. That's why I said ties at first. Couple of belts. They just have that little, almost like a D-ring. They feel like a tie, basically. But they are Ralph Lauren. Just some very preppy colors, stripes.
You can try to wear it as a tie if you really wanted to.
Probably. But they were $3.50, and then it was half off of the $3.50 with this color. So that is what, $1.75. Not bad. I will probably use them to model some of the clothes. And let's see, this wasn't half off, but it was a Free People, very cute little cropped cardigan sweater, size medium. I believe it has alpaca in it. Let's see. Lamb's wool, rabbit hair, nylon, acrylic wool, other fibers. Okay, that's the rabbit hair, but that gives it that soft, super soft feeling. It was like $5. The last price, yeah, $5. And then there is this top, this little sweater. It was pink. Let's see. I think I paid $7.99 for it. It was full price. That's what they have it priced, only because they didn't have a name brand on it. It just had that little thing, that little tag right there, which I don't really know what that is. So if you know exactly what that is, let me know. But I know I looked up the RN number and it is Urban Outfitters. And I know that there's a lot of brands that fall under that, including like Free People, but that's not Free People. So, but it is made of, it's super soft. Oh my gosh. Oh, here it is. It is acrylic wool nylon spandex, and that's the body, and then the woven is wool nylon. So that nylon is what gives it that really soft feel. It's got like the cuff sleeves, but it's that plaid, that brown plaid right here, that it would be perfect for fall. And it's gonna be perfect with this pair of boots. I just have to show you. Okay. No. I know. They are this. I've never really heard of this brand. Area Forte. I looked it up, and they're actually Anthropology. Very, very good condition. Got a little dirt down here, but it's got like the leather wrap all around the heel and everything. They are so freaking fantastic. Good condition. It might need a little bit of a boot cleaning. But yeah, Area Forte. I did pay up for these. I paid, the last mark price was $32.50, and I had 20% off coupons, and I did use one of them for these boots, so I think it was about $26. Looked like the comps were actually pretty good. I could at least double my money on these. But look how cute that look with this sweater. Oh my gosh, so cute. And then I got Robert Graham. I know that he's really known for the like plaid shirts like I wore in one of my last videos, but this is 100% wool, I believe. It's a 2X, just like a quarter zip sweater, but it's got that velvet on the tag. Oh my god, that is so fantastic. But I paid only, let's see what I paid. It was 50% off of the last known price, and it was $5, so I paid $2.50 for it, so I didn't mind. And then this Marmot vest, quilted vest. Last price was $14.50. It was 20% off of the $14.50. That's a lot, but this there's a lot of solids that sold for Marmot, and it seemed like the prints like this sold a lot better. And with this season, it should sell really fast. Like I said, I paid up for it. This is a size medium, but it's very, very cute. And then, oh my gosh, these Fry boots. Very, very cute. Really good condition. I really don't see anything wrong with them, but they got the little Fry logo. I paid about the same thing as I did for those Area Forte boots. Yeah. And then the last one, these Free People. They are so cute, platform blue chunky boots. I don't really even think they've been worn. They are a little, this one needs some reshaping though, just probably from storage. Don't think it damaged any of the leather though, so I'll probably put something in there to reshape them, but they don't really even look like they've been worn. But Free People boots, oh my god.
They're so cute.
She's already been trying to talk me into keeping them. They are our size. She said, can I just at least wear them once? I don't know where she'd go because she does school online and she doesn't have a job and she's grounded. But
don't worry.
Oh, she'll be in ground in a couple weeks. But 3 amazing pair of boots, and some pretty awesome sweaters. I'll hopefully get them listed, and maybe by the time I have posted this video, they would have sold. So if I haven't listed them, you need to hold me accountable because I'm terrible. I hardly have any time to list things with my job at the post office. I work almost 10 to 12 hours a day, 6 days a week. So I'm exhausted. But if you're interested in any of this, it hasn't sold, let me know. Send me an offer. Tell me you seen this video on YouTube. Buy it.
Yeah.
Buy it. Buy it. Yeah, you need this. You need these. So, y'all have a great night. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I just want to say thank you for watching us. And don't forget to like and subscribe the video if you like reseller content like this. Be sure and hit that notification bell so the next time a video goes live, you'll be able to get that notification. We appreciate you, and we hope you guys have a great day. Happy Veterans Day, y'all! November 11th.